Believe it or not, we still hear from people in this community that they didn't know the hospital was open.
The New Orleans East Hospital began operating in July 2014. Now administrators are focused on getting people used to the idea that healthcare is back in the East.
Grew out of two things. One, the need for health care in New Orleans East for the population that's out here and the community that's out here, but two, to be an anchor for economic development for New Orleans East.
Since opening, other physicians have also opened offices around the hospital for easy access to the facilities.
Physicians in particular who are starting to understand and know that the hospital is here, and so they can now bring those services back at a convenient place for the citizens that live here and for their patients that live here.
Several small restaurants have also opened in recent months, although Cafe of the East, housed in the hospital, has become a popular stop for good, healthy food.
And so you'll see people coming in and out who work in the area. Retired persons who are living in this area will come in and get lunch. Breakfast in the morning.
The hospital employs 170 people from various professional backgrounds.
From nurses, respiratory therapists, lab technicians, people who work in custodian work for us, facilities maintenance.
Currently, they're hiring for nearly 30 more positions. There are also 140 physicians on staff, from emergency room and cardiology services to general medicine and sleep lab, with more continuing to come on board.
And so when you look at what we do and the amount of people we employ, and also the different type of things that we're doing at the hospital, it lends itself to other businesses to grow in this area.
Charlotte Parent says patients are slowly utilizing the hospital, and now that all insurances are being accepted, she believes more people will be able to have access to health care here in New Orleans East.
The community thrives when everyone in the community utilizes what's in the community.
Reporting for the East New Orleans Business Development District, I'm Casey Ferrand.